That's her spot right there. Always at the top of the steps. I really don't know what this vlog is gonna be about. Oh. Just got in these new hats. I have merch now. Dang, this looks clean. Alright guys, let me know if you want one of these. I also got some shirts coming soon. Okay, watch the whole video because at some point I'm gonna be giving away one of these knives and I'll show you how. I'm gonna make some dino nuggies today. Some people have been requesting it a lot on TikTok. Okay, so I'm not gonna make those dino nuggies. I just don't have time today. So I'm gonna make some churros. That'd be pretty good. Man, I don't think y'all realize how much work goes into these videos. I make them completely for free. I mean, if you do realize it, then thank you so much. Currently working on a Churro Donut video for TikTok. They're looking pretty good. So far, it's been about 40 minutes of work for a 15-second video, so that's where we're at. And don't get me wrong, I really love making this stuff. It's great. I'm just tired of people thinking they're entitled to these platforms to give them whatever they want. They could just go away any day now, like TikTok, for example.
We're looking at TikTok. We may be banning TikTok. We may be doing some other things. There are a couple of options.
Could have disappeared yesterday. So that's why I'm on everything. Making food, that's all I'm doing. Making cooking videos. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to make a churro donut. So you wanna bring your water and butter to a simmer. Add your sugar and a pinch of salt and add in your flour. Churro Donut, whatever you want to call it. Chocolate flaky salt? Okay guys, all right. Damn, it's hot. Oh, it's freaking hot. Check that out. The light's kind of harsh, sorry. I made freaking churro dogs. I'm about to fry them off. This is complete stoner food, man. Let me give you a close-up. Look at that, we have a beautiful churro dog. That looks so freaking amazing. I'm gonna try it out. Okay. This reminds me of when I was a kid. My mom would make those Pillsbury croissants and she would roll that with a hot dog, a little pig in a blanket. This is kind of like that. This is so freaking good. Guys, if you want me to do a full recipe video on this, leave a comment down below and like the video, then I'll make one. I think these are pretty freaking sweet. Doing a little photo shoot for work, so I had to cook off some sweet potatoes with this honey habanero blend that we got. Always remember, light is your best friend when taking photos. I like to sort of get my light off of one end so it kind of looks like it's coming out the window, sort of natural light looking. I also like to play around with different backdrops. That's how I take a photo. Filming a little tortilla video for TikTok, so I'm gonna make some breakfast tacos. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to make flour tortillas the right way. Bacon fat. Cheers. Water. Mix. Some refried beans, American cheese, then your eggs, breakfast taco, black flaky salt. So it's this really cool thing where I'm on the front banner of the TikTok app, and it's gonna be live today around 6 p.m. Pacific. If you missed it, so sorry. If you missed it, so sorry, but just go ahead and follow my TikTok in the future. All right, guys, I just finished up with that TikTok live, and I made this awesome sourdough bread on there. That was my first time making bread on live, so it was a lot of fun. If you were on it, I really hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you were on it with your handle so I can repost about it. Look at that, we had over 200,000 people on that live. Thank you so much for joining it. And now, as promised, I'm gonna be giving away this knife right here to a lucky winner. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell. Once you've done that, comment down below this video with your TikTok handle or your Insta handle, and I will reply to you with a number. That's your number, that's gonna be on the drawing. And then we will give away the results in the next YouTube video next week. Yeah, and if you won the knife, let me know if you want me to sign it or whatever, maybe use it in a video, and I will. Thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoy these little cooking vlogs of mine, and I will see you in the next one.